Have you ever woken up and just wanted to do something on the spur of the moment, just to go, but don't have anybody to go with? Just go. Well, today I did have somebody to go with. I was invited to go somewhere, and I'll be going with my friend that I hang out with over here. We're just going to do things in the spur of the moment. I will share it with you on my YouTube channel. I actually have two YouTube channels. The one that's Maddie's 60s No Filter, which I've been using a lot. And I also have Maddie's Travel. The Maddie's Travel I haven't really posted much in because I haven't been traveling lately until I get myself together and my life straightened out and all this. I still want to travel, so I don't want to get rid of that channel. So if you want to watch that channel too, feel free to see all the videos that I've posted on there when I was in Spain for 2 months. But until I actually start traveling again, which I hope will be soon, I don't know how soon, but once I start traveling again, I will be posting on that channel for travel. So until then, I'm going to be going with Vicki. We're going to Tulsa, Oklahoma. She's going to be going to her daughter's shop to do a few things that's happening there. And then we're going to go and figure out what we're going to do next. But I want to take you guys along for the ride, so come join me. At the River Walk in Jenks, Oklahoma. Very windy day. We had lunch at the District Burger, which was pretty good. I'll include my pictures that I took of my food there. Would recommend. If you want to have an idea of how windy it is, check it out. I've never seen this. The whole 11 years that I've been in Oklahoma, they have these little poopy bags for the doggies. Clean up after your dog. That's right. We don't want to step in anything. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Never saw anything like that. But this is basically to the River Walk. There's Miss Vicki. But it's extremely windy. I am so glad I'm not wearing a wig because I am not in the mood to chase anything down the street. And it has these buildings here. We ate at the District Burger. I'm walking around the River Walk in Jenks, Oklahoma, and it is extremely windy, but this is what it looks like. They got restaurants and all that good stuff. Let's take a walk down here. And the sign, the River Walk sign is up there. This is where they have like some type of a little theater thing, I guess. Oh, people do play, probably like on the weekends and stuff and evenings. Here's where they stand, and they got like seats. People sit here, and I'm on stage. Ah! So this is the stage, and they basically either run or stand here and play their instruments or sing or whatever. But this is the stage. See, I am a star. So, hey lady. All right. This is the water section. El agua in Spanish. And this is basically it. And there's Miss Vicki over there. So a beautiful, beautiful day. Windy as what, but beautiful. And I used to live, if you can see those buildings in the background right over there, I used to live about Maybe not even 5 minutes from there when I lived in Tulsa. But this is River Walk. This is an unusual, wonder what it says. Let's see here. Oh, it says hello? It looked like healthy. Oh, hello in the front. Okay.
Hiss J. And it means hello.
And it's got lots of animals. Hiss J. Huh. Very, very interesting. I thought that was a potty thing, is it?
It's a potty pool.
Okay. I love flowers like this. Trees. The colors. I can't wait till it blooms. But they're coming in. See? My favorite color, purple, lilac, or whatever you call it.
Is this where
the sports, the golf.
Yeah.
The golf inside.
I've never been in it.
Me either. I'm not a golfer anyway. It's been so long since I've been in this neck of the woods.
I've never have.
Since
I've been here
Uh-huh.
driving through, but not stopping and doing this.
I came here in the summer when we were over there. They have little concerts. People
Right.
play music there and stuff. But I haven't been over here since I moved from Bixby. Or when I visit my brother, but I don't pass by this area. Well, I pass the area to go over the bridge, but I don't make the turn to stop over here.
So is this a baseball field or something?
No, that's the putt, where they hit the balls.
Oh.
They hit it from up there, and it goes down.
From where?
From the normally from the top. Let's see if we can see it. Someone's playing in this wind. Oh, I see him down there. Somebody is hitting the green.
Okay, here's the golfing part together. There's someone over there cutting it.
There's 3 floors, and then they hit it over here. Not my forte. Oops, my hand's in the way. This is not my forte. I'm not a golfer, nor do I like watching unless I want to fall asleep. Then I'll watch it. But this is 3 rows, 3 levels of golfing. They hit it on here. And that's it. Like I said, if I want to fall asleep, I'll put on the golfing channel. It's boring. What is that? Probably to see across the river or something.
What?
This looks like a
Oh, yeah.
telescope.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi. Cute.
Just fine.
Hey, Justin. My song when he was young. And this is the stage I was talking about. See these spikes? I'm thinking of one day talking Vicki into going on one of these scooters with me. I doubt she will. We don't want to break our hips. So maybe another time. But yep, there's scooters. I guess you scan up there, and haven't ridden one. But pretty cool. This is a Mexican restaurant. Makes me want to dance. trees. I love my trees. And straight to the parking lot. We are going to attempt to go up them stairs and across that bridge. Even if it kills us. Oh my God. The things we do. This is the old bridge, and they built the new one over there on that side. So we'll be able to see the water.
It's just too late.
Wow. We thought this bridge was just going to be for us.
Yeah.
And there's like runners. I think this is the high school. That would be me, the last one in the bunch. I'm not a runner. But he'll get there.
You're never wrong, yeah, you're never wrong. What you want, like what you want. Money burn fast as the sun. Hoes only go last until it's gone. High fashion or welfare in the starve. Compassion. You gon' be a star, shooting from afar. I know who you can be. I know what your plan be. I know you understand me.